Stop throwing your hard-earned money on expensive probiotic pills. Let me tell you a medical truth. Most people never hear this from the doctor. 90% of the gut healing bacteria you are desperately searching for is not inside these capsules, not in the pharmacy, not in the supplement shelves. It's already sitting in your kitchen right now, almost free. I'm Dr. Raza, and welcome to Dr. Raza Health 360 MD. Today, I'm going to show you 7 living drinks. These are not beverages, these are functional medicine tools used in real gut healing protocols. One of these can reduce years of bloating within 24 hours. Another helps repair leaky gut, the root cause behind IBS, fatigue, allergies, and autoimmune problems. But listen carefully. If you choose the wrong drink for your body type, you can damage your gut instead of healing it. So stay with me. Your digestion depends on this. Gut problems don't start in the stomach, they start with wrong information. People keep adding pills without fixing acid levels, motility, inflammation, and gut lining damage. That's why symptoms return. Let's fix the root cause properly. Drink number one, the acid reset. Apple cider vinegar. Most people think acidity means too much acid. That's wrong. In 90% of the cases, stomach acid is too low. Low acid means food doesn't digest, valve stays open, acid reflux starts, gas, bloating, chest burn follows. Science behind that: apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which restores stomach pH and turns digestion on. This is not a trend, this is basic physiology. How to use: 1 gram warm water with 1 tablespoon organic apple cider vinegar. Drink 15 minutes before meals. Warning: never drink it diluted. It can burn your teeth and food pipe. Drink number two, the digestion mover. Ginger tea. If food feels heavy hours after eating, your stomach is not moving. This is called slow gastric emptying, and pills don't fix it. Science behind that: ginger contains gingerols, which stimulates stomach muscles electrically. It literally tells your gut, move the food forward. How to use it: 2-inch fresh ginger, boil in water for 5 minutes, add lemon, drink 30 minutes after heavy meals. Bloating starts to disappear fast. Drink number three, the gut lining repair. Bone broth. This is not a soup, this is gut cement. Processed food creates macroscopic holes in your intestines. This condition is called leaky gut. Toxin leak into blood, inflammation, autoimmune disease, constant fatigue. Science behind this: slow cooked bones release collagen and glutamine. Glutamine is the primary fuel for gut lining cells. No capsules beats this. How to use it: chicken, mutton, or beef bones, slowly cook 6 to 12 hours, drink on empty stomach in the morning. This is liquid gold. Drink number four, the gas killer, the fennel water. Gas is not random, it's muscle spasms plus trapped air. Science behind this: fennel contains anethol, a natural antispasmodic. It relaxes gut muscles and releases trapped gas immediately. How to use it: 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, boil in water, drink warm. Safe even for children with colic. Drink number five, the microbiome builder, homemade buttermilk. Let's clear one confusion. Stored buttermilk is useless. Science behind that: your gut needs live bacteria. Yogurt contains lactobacillus, but only when prepared correctly. How to use it: 2 spoons of yogurt, 1 glass water, add cumin plus black salt, and drink with lunch. Warning: never drink ice cold. Cold kills digestive fire. Drink number six, the inflammation shutdown. Turmeric gold milk. Pain after eating causes inflammation. IBS is not weakness, it's a chronic gut inflammation. Science behind that: turmeric contains curcumin, one of the strongest natural anti inflammatories. But curcumin does not absorb alone. Black pepper contains piperine, which increases absorption by 2000%. How to use: warm milk, dairy or almond, half teaspoon of turmeric, pinch of black pepper, drink before bed. And drink number seven, the constipation fix. Chia seed. Constipation is not lack of medicine, it's lack of bulk plus hydration. Science behind that: these seeds form a gel that sweeps intestines clean. They act like a natural broom. How to use it: 1 tablespoon seeds, soak in water 15 minutes, drink before breakfast. Warning: drink plenty of water with it, otherwise blockage can occur. You are thinking, I will start apple cider vinegar and bone broth tomorrow. Stop. Because even the best gut drinks becomes useless if you are still eating gut-destroying foods. You might be drinking bone broth in the morning, but eating 3 common foods daily that will cut your gut lining like blades. If you don't remove those foods, nothing heals. Zero. I've explained those 3 foods in the next video because gut healing has no shortcuts. I will see you there. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and share. Your better health is my mission. You're watching Dr. Raza Health 360 MD. Goodbye. My name is Dr. Raza. I'm a practicing family physician in USA for the past 18 years. I'm an American board-certified physician and diplomate of American Board of Family Medicine.